This is SportsCenter.
Finish of the night, Wagner to Central Connecticut State. 8.5 seconds left. Wagner down 3 with the ball. Terry O'Connor, Dave Hopkins with the call.
Got to get it in, and he does so to Sanat. Now 6 seconds left. Henson for 3. Loose ball. Burton for 3. Good! Unbelievable! We are tied at 50.
What did he say?
Something like that.
Wow. Marcus Burton game time 3 from way out. O'Connor and Hopkins again.
Drakeford to Peel for 3. It's good! It counts! It counts! Brandon Peel! Unbelievable! 53-50. Central Connecticut wins it.
Ferrante Drakeford to Brandon Peel. They had a second on the clock, and it worked. Central Connecticut wins 53-50, just their 3rd win of the season. Wow.
NEC Hoops, baby. We love it. With that, welcome to SportsCenter. Kevin Connors, Jay Harris. Super Bowl Sunday now just about a week away, but Deflategate ain't going anywhere. Saturday, a lot of Bill Belichick sounding more like Bill Nye the Science Guy.
In an